this is Hans, and this is... And it's time for another instant noodle recipe time, the show where we show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came in an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount if you want to get yourself an umai crate. This is Itsuki Neapolitan spaghetti. Basically, it's Japanese spaghetti. Okay? Or rather, one company's take on spaghetti and the company's in Japan. So, this is kind of going to be a hard one to review because you have to add, there's a lot of it that's left up to your personal choice. So, first off, put a tablespoon of butter or oil in a pan. Get it heated, it's heated. And then you drop in some vegetables and meats of your choice. I've got spring onion and some barbecue pork. So that's what I'm gonna do there. Kind of an odd combo for spaghetti, but you know, figure keeping with the Japanese side of things, it might kind of work. I don't know, would you have spring onion and pork in your spaghetti, Mimi? Yeah? Well, what can you do? And since the pork's already cooked, it's kind of already gone and done its thing. We went on a big walk this morning. Where did we go? We went to the end of the world on each side, huh? We went down the main, down here in Kenmore we have Bothell Everett Highway. And we live right in the middle of each end of it. So we walked to the end of the street, and then went all the way down this way on Bothell Everett Way, and then went all the way this way. Came back one block, and then we go up way far and over, and all the way back down. And then we went to the store and got a couple things, then we made our merry way home. But yeah, it was fun. Do you have fun? Do you like walking with Papa? We play Primate. I've got a little Bluetooth speaker, and it's rad. It's really loud. And play Primus on it, because it's like, I don't know, it makes me walk fast, and she digs it. She actually will sing a lot of the songs off of Frizzle Fry while we're walking, which is pretty cool. There's the noodles. They're what you call kind of like fresh noodles. They, it's funny too, because it's just like, oh, just throw those in and give them a couple stirs and they'll get going. You be careful with those noodles. Yeah? Go, ah! Say, roar! No, say, roar! There you go. Clear your throat. Roar! Yeah, this is working really well at this point. It didn't mention anything about adding water, which is kind of like, But these are just the kind of noodles that usually will kind of come to life. I was talking to a company that makes a product. It's called Haku Baku, and they make stuff called mochi barley. And it's pearled Japanese barley. And I have it for dinner like almost every night. And they sent me a bunch of it, and I just had to hit them up for more. And they're like, hey, why don't you do a video about what you make for dinner? And I'm like, okay. So I was kind of planning on it anyways, because I've lost a ton of weight in the last, well, I guess it's 7 months now. We've been doing all this walking, and I've been eating a lot less. Yep, this is all going to go down the drain, except for like 2 bites from me, and maybe that same amount worth from her. And yeah, it's been doing good. I've already, at least I know for sure, from October 18th of last year to April 26th of this year, I've lost 65 pounds. So it's pretty cool. It's like a big whole lifestyle change thing. And it's actually really not that hard. And people keep asking me, dude, what are you doing? Are you doing this diet? Are you doing that diet? It's like, nope, I'm doing my own thing. So I'm going to do a video basically telling you how to do it. And it's not going to be one of those videos that are like, now I'm going to tell you all about this thing. And if you just sit and listen a little bit longer, I'll tell it to you. And blah, 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 blah. And it ends up being like a pill or a, God, what was the other thing? A pill or a book or something. It's just like, so stupid. I hate that crap. No, I'm not going to charge anybody anything. I think that's totally dumb. If you care about, you know, if it works for you, just share it. God. Right, Mimi? Right? Anyways. Yeah, you can see that'll be coming up soon. It might have been come out already, but I'm sure a recipe time. I might have to bump it up for the mochi thing. What I do is I take a can of Progresso soup and I cook the mochi barley stuff. It's kind of like rice, but like big, round, and a little bit lugubrious, and it's rad. Okay, now I think we're okay to use the sachet. Yeah, and we're gonna dump this in and then combine it, and that is that, as is the parlance of our times. So we dump this in, which is funny because there's really no liquid or anything, but we'll see what happens. And here we go. Whee! It's changing color. It's doing things. It's becoming... God, it's really dry. I'm using the instructions that were on the, what do you call it? That came with the Umai crate, because they come with their own stuff, and so hopefully they got it right. But I think it's kind of gonna be like a tomato yakisoba, is my guess. So, how is those noodles? You like your noodles? Mimi is having a Malaysian, what is it? Malacca Nyonya Laksa from Pan Me. That was yesterday's review, which was a few minutes ago just to me, which was actually a month ago to you. But whatever, you know. I think we're good. So let's get out Rotato. Mayor Rotato. Time for you to shine, Rotato. Okay, let's get this all. By the way, you're probably like, hey, where's your hat? I don't know. I thought I'd be weird today. Not wear my hat. That's the power. That's the power of and. My least favorite commercial. Behold, the power of and. And your point. And a bag of chips. And pizza? They're talking like people got really mad and confused. I guess there's a place called And Pizza. They're like, what's it mean? What's it all about? We don't understand the name. It's like, oh, you're gonna get mad about that, but you're not gonna get all pissed off about what the hell is Verizon about? I don't know. Alright. What do you think? Alright, let's make this rotate really quick. Actually, let me taste this. That's kind of like what I do, isn't it? We gotta give it a try. Noodle with powder. Ah. This is about the driest spaghetti I've ever had in my life. But it's not bad. Little Mimi, you will appreciate these noodles just because they're dry. She doesn't like it when she's picking up noodles and they're all saucy and stuff. Ah, come on, I don't want to burn myself. Alright, let's find a different something. No, I hate that one. Technology Beat. Brought to you by Spaghetti from Japan. And now, rotation. That's enough of that. Little fried garlic, little pepper flake. We're gonna call it good. And yeah, cool. Well, something new. You can enjoy my unhatted face. And this has been Hans, and this has been eyes. She calls the camera the eyes. All right, this has been Hans, and this has been wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Say bye-bye.
Bye, Mom. Bye.
Bye-bye.